The pancreas is a small but mighty organ. It plays a crucial role in our health. Many people don't even know it's there. Tucked away behind the stomach, the pancreas is a true multitasker. It has two main jobs, digestion and blood sugar regulation. The pancreas acts like a digestive factory. It produces enzymes that break down food. These enzymes help us absorb nutrients. Without a properly functioning pancreas, our bodies would struggle to process the food we eat. But the pancreas's talents don't stop there. It also acts as a regulator. It produces hormones that control blood sugar levels. This delicate balance is essential for providing our bodies with energy. The pancreas truly is an unsung hero. It works tirelessly behind the scenes. It keeps our bodies functioning at their best. The pancreas plays a vital role in digestion through its exocrine function. Think of the pancreas as a food processing plant. It secretes powerful enzymes that break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. One of the key enzymes is amylase. Amylase breaks down carbohydrates into simple sugars. These sugars are then absorbed into the bloodstream. Another crucial enzyme, lipase, tackles fats. Lipase breaks them down into fatty acids. These fatty acids are essential for energy and cell function. Finally, protease steps in to break down proteins into amino acids. These amino acids are the building blocks of our cells. They are crucial for growth and repair. Without these pancreatic enzymes, our bodies wouldn't be able to extract the nutrients we need from food. These digestive enzymes are released into the small intestine. Here they work their magic on the food we eat. This intricate process ensures our bodies receive the nourishment they need to thrive. The pancreas isn't just about digestion, it also plays a critical role in regulating blood sugar levels. This is where the islets of Langerhans come in. These tiny clusters of cells are scattered throughout the pancreas. They are responsible for the pancreas's endocrine function. The islets of Langerhans are like tiny hormone factories. They produce and release hormones directly into the bloodstream. These hormones, especially insulin and glucagon, work together to keep blood sugar levels in check. Think of it like a seesaw. When blood sugar rises, such as after a meal, the pancreas releases insulin. Insulin acts like a key. It unlocks cells and allows glucose to enter. This lowers blood sugar levels. Conversely, when blood sugar levels drop, the pancreas releases glucagon. Glucagon signals the liver to release stored glucose into the bloodstream. This helps raise blood sugar levels back to normal. Pancreatic hormones, insulin, glucagon, and more. The pancreas produces several vital hormones, each with a specific role in maintaining our health. Let's take a closer look at these chemical messengers. Insulin. This hormone is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels. After we eat, our blood sugar rises. Insulin helps cells absorb glucose from the blood. This prevents blood sugar levels from getting too high. Glucagon acts as insulin's counterpart. When blood sugar levels drop too low, glucagon signals the liver to release stored glucose into the bloodstream. This ensures our body has a constant energy supply. Somatostatin. This hormone acts as a regulator. It slows down the production of both insulin and glucagon. This helps maintain a balance of these crucial hormones. Pancreatic polypeptide. This hormone plays a role in regulating pancreatic secretions and appetite. It helps control how much food we eat and how our bodies digest it. These hormones work together in a delicate balance to ensure our bodies function correctly. Disruptions in this balance can lead to various health problems. When the pancreas falters. Common diseases. When the pancreas isn't working correctly, it can lead to several health problems. Here are some common diseases that affect the pancreas. Diabetes mellitus. This condition occurs when the pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin or the body doesn't use insulin properly. This leads to high blood sugar levels, which can damage blood vessels and organs. Pancreatitis. This inflammation of the pancreas can be caused by gallstones, alcohol abuse, or high levels of triglycerides. It can range from mild to life-threatening. Pancreatic cancer. This cancer is often diagnosed in its later stages, making it difficult to treat. Symptoms often appear when the tumor is already large. Cystic fibrosis. This genetic disorder affects the lungs and digestive system, including the pancreas. It causes thick mucus to build up in the pancreas, preventing enzymes from reaching the intestines. Exocrine pancreatic insufficiency, EPI. This condition occurs when the pancreas doesn't produce enough digestive enzymes. This can lead to malnutrition and digestive problems. Early detection and treatment are crucial for managing these conditions and preventing complications.